I'm Brittany Lewis with Forbes Breaking News. Representatives Ted Lieu and Jim Jordan clashed on the House floor Tuesday. Lieu explained that the delay in passing a bill to increase protections for Supreme Court justices after the attempted murder of Justice Kavanaugh was because, quote, Republicans refused to protect the families of Supreme Court employees. The California Democrat also highlighted a threat to Justice Sotomayor. Jordan responded that Republicans have condemned violence every time, including January 6th and the summer of 2020. Listen to the full exchange here.
Gentleman reserves. Gentleman from California.
Thank you. Let me tell you why it took us a few weeks rather than just 1 week to pass this legislation. It's because Republicans refuse to protect the families of Supreme Court employees who are at risk. Shame on you for not doing that. And by the way, there are threats to justices across the board. I support this legislation. I just note that recently there was an article in CNN titled Justice Sonia Sotomayor was targeted by gunmen, federal judge tells 60 Minutes, dated February 19, 2021. Intimidation goes on both sides. I support this legislation, and I reserve the balance of my time.
Gentleman reserves. The gentleman from Ohio.
And that's why Republicans have condemned violence every single time it happened, Madam Speaker. We condemned it when it happened on January 6th, but guess what? We also condemned it when it happened in the summer of 2020. And it hasn't been a few weeks since the leak of the draft opinion. It's been 6 weeks. So, the Senate passed this legislation unanimously, and they wouldn't bring it up. They wouldn't bring it up. In fact, the Speaker of the House, as I said before, the Speaker of the House said last week there was no need to bring it up. But now we're going to. Thank goodness for that. I yield 4 minutes to the gentleman from California, my friend, Mr. Rice.